Unless you have a lot of money to buy huge storage space on the cloud, the next best option to keep backup of all your photos and videos safe is storing them in an external hard disk. If you don't keep backup of your photos, please keep at least one. I keep two. Those are the memories which can't be reproduced. Anyway, my both of these hard disks are full, so I was looking for a new one. And out of many options available for external hard drive, I got this one. This is SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. This comes with USB-C cable and also USB-C to USB converter. Mostly you will not need this one, but just in case. This is the best portable hard disk you can get right now. And there are 5 good reasons to buy this one. In case if you are wondering, SanDisk sponsoring this video is not one of that reason. So let's begin. First reason is speed. This one can read and write up to 1050 MB per second. That's a GB per second. It is very difficult to imagine how fast it is. The task of taking backup of all my videos for one shoot used to take around 15 to 20 minutes. And now it's a less than a minute or two. That's just flash fast. Next reason is durability. I don't know if any one of you had this experience or not. And I wish you never had it. But a hard drive getting corrupted and losing all the data is by far the worst feeling anyone can have. And it is very unlikely to happen if you are using this hard drive. Well, first because it's an SSD and not the old hard disk like this, which literally starts to vibrate when you plug it in. So the SSD itself is very reliable. But this particular SSD is water resistant and dust proof and shock proof as well. I remember whenever I used to travel with these old hard disks, I had to take care of them a lot, but traveling with this one is much easier. You don't have to worry much, and SSDs are long lasting as well compared to these, so your investment will be utilized for many years to come. It won't go bad soon. Next reason is size. Just look at it. How tiny is this compared to the HDD? This is iPhone 12 Pro and this is the SanDisk Extreme SSD. Its thickness is also almost same as iPhone, and of course this much smaller too. I even got this tiny case to keep this hard disk. Yay! And it fits perfectly in this. Awesome. The next reason is security. This SSD comes with inbuilt security software, using which you can set up a code for your files. So if in case if you lose it and someone else finds it, they would not be able to access your files. You can of course disable this feature if you like, but it's always good to have an extra layer of security. And the last reason being design and looks. It is one of the best looking hard drive, and you can even use this hole to put it in your keychain. The way it feels in your hand is also perfect. It has a rubbery finish all around, and due to this rubbery finish, it does not get scratches or does not slip easily from the tables. You can even keep them on inclined surfaces like this and it will not slip. You can see, right? This is inclined. Actually, few months back, I got one of these and I liked it so much that I decided to buy one more. I use it to store my photos and videos, and even sometime I edit 4K videos directly from this. Plug this into the laptop and I can render videos directly on the hard disk, and it works perfectly. There are many options available for storage capacity from 500 GB to I guess 8 TB, but mine both are 2 TB each. I feel right now if you consider the price, the 2 TB is kind of a sweet spot which gets most amount of storage for your money. This one comes for $220 if you buy it from Amazon in the US. I highly recommend you to keep backup of all your photos and videos in at least one SSD and don't use those old HDD anymore. And if you're going to buy an SSD, then this SanDisk Extreme SSD is the best option. If you find this video helpful, please like it on YouTube, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel. That's all for today, and I will see you in the next one.